Other people notice this before you do. You tried it on, the size was right. The mirror looks fine, so you bought it. And then, oh no, it sat in your closet. Or you wore it once and fell off all day, and you couldn't say why. Here is the thing. A piece can be your exact size but still be wrong for you. Not because you did anything wrong, just because fits and fits you are two completely different things. I'm going to show you 4 real examples. What's actually happening, why it happens, and how to fix it. Stick around till the end because the last one isn't about your body at all. First thing to check, your jeans or any straight pants with a crease. Here's what happens. The size is correct. It goes over your hips just fine, but look closer. There is a pulling right across the hips. The fabric is straining. And then at the waistline, a huge gap. The fit just gives up there. And if there is a crease down the front, watch it disappear completely right where the strain is. It just gets pulled flat. That is what creates that stuffed sausage look. And ironically, it brings even more attention to your hips, just opposite of what you wanted. Close, but no. The fix isn't a different size, it's a different shape. White black, palazzo, anything with a room through the hip and thick. The line, the crease, the silhouette, everything should stay intact instead of fighting your body. Second thing to check, that oversized sweater, the loose long sleeve boxed tee. The whole Pinterest minimalist things. On a flatter frame, this look effortless. Relaxed, chic, just like on the picture. But on a fuller bust, yeah, no. Same piece adds volume exactly where you already have it. The fabric hangs off the bust, points and out, and suddenly you look bigger everywhere, not just there. It isn't about the size, it's about the drape. The loose fabric needs somewhere to fall, and on a fuller bust it doesn't fall. It just sits and adds. 2 ways to fix it. Either go with fabric that has actual shape, something with a bit of stiffness that holds its own shape instead of dropping off you. Or go with fitted with darts, so the fabric follows your body shape instead of fighting it. You can also break it up with a second layer, like a blazer, or move the tension entirely to the different place, like your leg, your arms, your hair. The eye goes where you send it. Okay, those 2 were about your body. This next one is different. Stick with me. That romantic dress, thin straps, a little dropped detail on the bust. Gorgeous on Pinterest, but let's go with the body part because there is one here too. On a fuller bust, thin straps dig in. It's just mechanics. Soft tissue and thin strap don't get along. And any decoration sitting at the bust line, it draws eyes there and makes it read even bigger. If that's what you wanted, if you want emphasis there is nothing wrong with that, genuinely. But if you're trying to balance things out, this dress is working against you. The fix is simple enough. No decoration at the bust, wider straps, and ideally darts underneath to actually shape your body instead of just dropping it. But here's the thing. With all of that fixed, is this dress you? Because this is where it stops being about fit and starts being about fit for your life. If you are a romantic person, like soft, a little dreamy, wear it. Eat yours. But if your actual energy is bold and sharp or quiet and classic, you will wear this dress twice and it's going to sit in your closet. Not because anything wrong with it, just because it's not telling your story. It's telling Pinterest girl's story. Close, but no. Okay, last one, platform shoes. Especially that raffia style chunky platforms everyone's wearing right now. On a wider foot or fuller ankles and calves, this adds bulk exactly when you don't need it. Platform shoes make the whole silhouette look heavier, and visually your legs look shorter and wider. The opposite of what a heel is supposed to do for you. The fix on the body side is pretty simple, a slim, clean heel. Thin or medium straps instead of wide platform base. That's it. That alone changed the whole leg line. But not quite. Let's go one level deeper. Will you actually wear them? Be honest. If your day is mostly home or errands or odd walk, or if your job has you on your legs moving fast, platforms aren't just visually heavy, they're usually genuinely uncomfortable to walk in. That's how they're built. If you're craving a heel but your life doesn't have a room for an unstable one, start with a kitten heel. Something with comfort built in. You will wear it, and platforms will just collect dust. So here is what I want you to take from this. Size right, fit right, yours. Three completely different checks, and most people only ever do the first one. You can have a correct size, a beautifully corrected silhouette, but a piece still isn't yours because it doesn't match how you actually live or who you actually are. That third check, that's the one almost nobody does for themselves. Because honestly, it's hard to see your own closet that clearly. That's exactly what I'm doing on my styling consultations. We go through all three layers with you, not just the first one. There is a link in my profile to see my portfolio and how to book one. Okay, go check your closet. I bet you already know which piece I'm talking about.